Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with our next topic, which is installation of ABAP development tools in HANA Studio. Okay, so HANA Studio actually is one of the Eclips based client tool using which we connect to HANA database, and all our development and support work is done from HANA Studio. So we install the ABAP development tools also in the HANA Studio, so it's a single place to perform all our development and support or modeling work from HANA Studio itself. So in this training we will see how we can install ABAP development tool, normally called as ADT. Okay, so what we will do is we are in the HANA Studio right now, and in that you can see that there is a help tab. Click on help, and under that click on install new software. Okay, so in this tab what we will do is we will be installing the new software, which is ADT, and this is how we can install new softwares into HANA Studio. Okay, so these are the two clients that we are going to install. So first is this one, that is for Eclips Kepler. So we'll just copy paste this URL here, okay, and click on add. Okay, without specifying a name, we will just add it here. Okay, and you can see that these are the three tools that it will install. One is ABAP development tools for SAP NetWeaver, HANA Cloud Tools, UI development toolkit for HTML5. Okay, the next thing is from Juno website we will be installing the Eclips Juno 4.2. Okay, so just copy that URL, paste it here, and click on add. Okay, just mention OK, and you will see that that is also get added here. Okay, let's select everything, and we will just select, click on next, and you can see that it is calculating the requirement and dependencies here. And once it calculates the dependencies and the requirements, what it will do is it will show you the different components and the version that it is going to install. So this is the list of, so you can see that connectivity and integration development tool, ABAP core development tools, ABAP development tools for SAP HANA. So this is the list of all the things that it is going to install. So let's click on next tab here, and you can see that these are the different licenses that is required for this, and we will just accept this license terms and click on finish. So now it is starting to install these softwares one by one, so the installation will continue. It will take some time, it will take a couple of minutes, so about 2 to 3 minutes it takes for installation. And at the bottom you can see that installing software 28%, and it is showing the progress here. So this is moving forward, and here you will see the progress that what is going on with this particular installation. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes before this completes. Okay, so you can see that it's 30% now, and once this installation is complete, so what we will see is we will be seeing a perspective called ABAP perspective. Okay, so using that perspective we will connect to the ABAP systems directly. So we'll just specify the system number, the client, the username, the password for that system, and we can connect straight away from the ABAP perspective to the ABAP system. So the beauty of this particular perspective is that you can connect to HANA Studio all the views which are available, like calculation views, the analytic views, and on the other side you can see all the programs in SE38. You can run those programs, you can create the programs here in the studio in ABAP perspective, and you can run them there in the SAP system. So that is the beauty of it, and you will see the benefits of it when you start using that. But take note that moving forward, SAP is trying to put everything on HANA, and they are pushing for the HANA database. And given the push for it, you will be seeing that ABAP, as you know, that it is the heavily used programming language. So they are coming up with ways to connect to both ABAP and Eclipse based development so that it works seamlessly, and you should be able to create the procedures, create the calculation views, and consume it on either side. You can create the programs and on ABAP side and consume it straight away in the database. So the interoperability will be increasing by that. So let's still 39%, so just give us few seconds. Okay, you can see this message that this is not signed content. The authenticity or validity of the software cannot be established. Just select OK and continue. It will ask this, I think, about 2 to 3 times, so just take note that because this is signed by SAP and it's not distributed, so you will be getting this message. Just take note that and click OK to continue. Okay, so you can see that this is complete and it is asking us to start the HANA Studio. So we will just click on yes and it will start the HANA Studio. Okay, so that is what I wanted to cover in this particular topic. Thank you for joining and have a nice